What does it take to move from GP to Super GP? Ambition, of course. And the right equipment, starting with your ADEC Pro delivery. Because now, ADEC has integrated Midwest Motors restorative implant and advanced endodontic with reciprocation, apex location, and file libraries into one simple solution, giving you the freedom to grow your practice and do more with your patients. Replace the clutter and complexity with a single interface and shared foot control, and switch from restorative and endodontic or implant modes with the touch of a finger. No manual adjustments, no interruptions, just confidence and precise control. Intelligent torque and speed adjustments help you cut efficiently, shape canals safely, and place implants predictably. For ADEC 500 Pro and 300 Pro with DS5, integrated apex location provides real-time measurements, reducing the risk of over-instrumentation as you move seamlessly between motor-driven and hand-file modes. While access to Wave 1 and Reciproc file systems ensures faster, more predictable root canal treatments, even implantology becomes a simple plug-and-play option with the Midwest implant motor, sterile tubing pump, and comprehensive implant libraries fully integrated into your 500 Pro delivery. No extra equipment and no complex installation needed. With ADEC Plus connectivity, your file and implant libraries are always up to date. You can customize, configure, and save workflows with settings that move with you from operatory to operatory. And you expand your capabilities at your own pace, now or in the future. It's a smarter, simpler way to deliver advanced dentistry without expanding your footprint. Less complexity, more possibilities, one powerful platform for growing your practice. All yours with ADEC.